User shower settings. Target temperature 100. I don't know if that means hot water or that means steam. That means water. That does not mean steam. Okay, that is way too complicated. We see these kind of, I don't know what to call them, foundation blocks for decks used all the time, and they're almost always used wrong. When you look at them, it's pretty clear that you're supposed to put either a 4x4 or a 6x6 post in here, and then use that to build your deck. The way everybody uses these is they literally just set them on the ground, stick the post in, and build the deck, and then they wonder why that deck is sinking into the ground by the spring of the following year. It's because these are not actually supposed to be used as a standalone part of your foundation. They actually require a pier and a footing underneath of them. So what you're supposed to do is dig down past the frost line, so below about 4 feet here, put in probably a compacted gravel combination footing and pier, and then this is supposed to sit on the very top of that compacted gravel and allow you to nest your post in there. But without that pier, without that footing, these are just going to sink into the ground. What does everybody do? They plop them on top of the ground and they build a deck on them. So these are actually one part of a system. They're not supposed to be used by themselves. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.